In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a chart to view earnings effectively. If you're keen on analyzing stock performance and understanding past and upcoming earnings reports, you're in the right place. We will walk you through the process to ensure you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Let's begin by opening a chart for the stock you're interested in analyzing. This could be on your computer or mobile device, wherever you find it most convenient to work. Once you have your chart up for the specific stock you're looking at, you'll want to modify the chart settings to get the most out of your analysis. Depending on whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device, you can access the chart settings in one of two ways. On a computer, right-click right on the chart. If you're using a mobile app, tap on the three dots icon you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the menu that allows you to customize what you see on your chart. With the settings menu open, look for a tab labeled Events. This is where you can enable some really important display options for your chart. Once you're on the Events tab, you'll need to enable the earnings display. Simply click on the option that says Show Earnings on Chart. This feature is incredibly useful because it gives you a visual representation of earnings on your chart. Now, when you look at the chart, you'll see small E icons along the x-axis. Each of these icons represents an earnings event for the stock you're examining. Hovering over these E icons will provide you with a wealth of information at a glance. You'll get the specific earnings dates, any estimates that were made prior to the earnings release, and additional important details that can help you make informed decisions. Being able to see these at a glance makes it much easier to spot trends or anomalies that could impact your investment strategy. In addition to using the chart on its own, you can also access the earnings calendar for an even broader view. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com/market/stocks USA earnings. Here, you'll be able to see a comprehensive calendar view of all upcoming earnings reports exclusively geared toward US stocks. This is perfect for keeping track of multiple companies at once. In the calendar, you'll have the opportunity to check out detailed information like the dates for each earnings release, estimated earnings per share, commonly known as EPSA, and reported EPS figures for each company listed. Armed with this information, you can better plan your trades and analysis ahead of time. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge needed to analyze stock earnings using charts effectively. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this walkthrough has been helpful in enhancing your stock analysis adventures.